Maybe you're starting the new year not the way you imagined. Perhaps you have been laid off from your job, or you lost a loved one, or ended a relationship, and you're struggling to move forward. Or could it be you're in a season of transition and you don't know your next step? Or maybe you're in a wilderness season, going around in circles, not knowing what to do. The way this year is starting doesn't define you, nor is it a prediction of the future. It's just a matter of perspective. Do you know that you are at the starting line of the 2026 marathon, faced with endless possibilities, new beginnings, relationships, and opportunities are waiting for you? Don't be discouraged by how you're starting the year or what it looks like. Scripture tells us in Isaiah chapter 61, verses 2 and 3, God will give us beauty for our ashes, the oil of joy for mourning, and the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. If you're feeling overwhelmed and you're nervous or anxious about the future, I want to remind you, you're not alone. Deuteronomy chapter 31, verse 8 tells us, do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord will personally go ahead of you. He will be with you. He will never fail you nor abandon you. People will abandon us in our moments of pain and despair, or when we are in our wilderness season, struggling to find our way, but not God. Maybe you have cried, feel alone or abandoned by family and friends. What is behind you doesn't compare to the joy, the peace, the breakthrough, and the blessings waiting for you. If you're ready to move forward and not just feel inspired and take steps of faith to overcome what's in front of you, what's next is for you.